After 1 month of using the Sony ZV-1, we will finally review it today. Sony ZV-1, the best vlogger camera designed for those creating videos in social medias. Let's see the sensor and lens spec of this camera. There's a 20 megapixel 1-inch stock CMOS sensor, 24-70 f1.8 to 2.8 equivalent lens. For the battery, it uses the same battery of RX100 and PBX battery. The body, there's a grip in front and back. Easy to hold while you are shooting. There's a 3-inch vari-angle flip screen. The flip screen rotates by 180 degrees towards in front. Flip screen out to power on and flip screen in to power off the camera. The screen also can use to touch focus but cannot use to navigate the menu settings. Side port. There's an audio mic port, micro USB port for charging and software update, HDMI port for video out. For the top buttons, we have the power button, mode, big record button, shutter button, and C1 button. This C1 button is for background defocus or bokeh when you are shooting. Microphone on top with 3 directional mic. Rear panel. We have the function menu button, wheel navigation, play button, and of course we have the C2, which is the product showcase. C1 and C2 we will do the testing in the actual environment. Front. It uses the Zeiss lens. There's a LED indication here when you are shooting video. The video can record slow motion from 240, 480, and 960 frames per second at 1080p resolution. Can record also 4K at 60 frames per second. Stabilization. There's a standard and active. Standard, it uses the mechanical stabilization, while active, it uses the mechanical and software stabilization that will give you slightly crop. Later, I will show you how I shoot during off, stabilization, standard, and active. There's another features of this camera, skin smoothing. It will smoothen your skin while you are shooting portrait, from low, mid, and high. These are the interesting features of the Sony ZV-1. Please continue to watch the video for the actual testing in the environment. Steady shot off. Normal walking. Standard on. Active stabilization. Bit crop, but for me it's still okay. As long as you extend your arm. But if you do like this, of course, it will focus more on your face. Extend, close, extend. Now I'm testing the microphone built-in. Here is a bit windy. The wind noise is off, and there's a lot of car behind me, as you can hear. So test mic 1, 2, 3. Test mic 1, 2, 3. Mic wind noise on without the dead cut on top. So now I'm testing the microphone. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Here there's a lot of car behind me and a bit windy. So test 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see later if this one is acceptable or not. Okay. Test mic 1, 2, 3. Camera wind noise turn on, and dead cat cover on top of the microphone. Here is a bit windy and there's a lot of car noise behind me. Let's see later if this one is acceptable and if you can hear still the noises here in the surrounding environment. Test mic 1, 2, 3. After a few days of testing outside, we will do now the product showcase for this camera. Product showcase setting allows you to focus instantly on the object or product you want to show in the camera. For example, see, fast and precise focus transition from down to the center or up to the center. Very precise and accurate. Let's do another test. See? Another one. Okay. Quick and accurate. For the skin smoothing effect, now I turn it off. As you can see small details in my skin. Then if I turn the skin smoothing to low, this the skin smoothing turn on to low. As you can see, the skin smoothens slightly, but the color tone and contrast is same. After using this camera in a month, this camera gives me the best impression for its small size, more features built in videography and photography. For the price, it is affordable compared buying both DSLR camera that are expensive with the same quality you get from the Sony ZV-1. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy the review and don't forget to like and subscribe. The following scene are photos direct from camera.